Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be talking about custom interiors, what are the levels of customization, how it can improve the quality of our spaces as well as our lives, and how it can make our work better as interior designers. But before we dive into it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you are interested in the topics of architecture, interior design, 3D ArchViz, and tips and tricks to grow our business. Custom interior design is simply a catch-all term for any customizations that you require to your home. With custom interior services, every aspect of your home can be tailored to be in harmony with your tastes and preferences. Whether it is the size of the rooms, the shapes of doors and windows, or color scheme, everything is customized to meet your taste functionally and aesthetically. The idea comes from the reality that not all homes or flats have the same shape, surface, or distribution. Neither all people have the same interior style or the same lifestyle. We all have a different perception of the ideal space that we want to be in. Customization comes to adapting a particular functionality and aesthetic, all in relationship with the qualities of the space and the taste of the occupants of the space. Personally, I can break it down into two levels. Number one, we have customization on the space level. By the way, this is the most common concept of customization. To create a unique design that is perfectly functional and aesthetically pleasing, you need a couple of things. You need to have the freedom of having the furniture and fixture with the perfect size, style, finish, and orientation. You need a kitchen cabinet that is designed to fit exactly in the space, which allows you to get the most out of your kitchen with enough space for storage. You must be able to choose the color and design of a rug to match your color scheme and to fit exactly in the area you've designed. You must be able to choose a pattern of fabric you like and have the wallpaper made to match exactly. And also be able to choose the paint color, quality, and finish for the walls. The answer to all of these demands is customization, to be exactly as much or as little as you need to fill the space. The deeper concept is customization on the human level. At this level, we can also call it personalization or made for you. It's almost like telling the story of someone. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have a flat that is perfectly designed and customed with all that we've mentioned in the first level, but still someone would like it and someone won't, which means that customization that doesn't consider the human part is basically nothing. I had a lot of conversations with so many people who wanted to design their homes, and so many of them become my clients. They told me that in their journey to finding the best fit for their project, the question they often get asked by other professionals is, what is your interior design style? And they give them few options to choose from, whether it's modern, Scandinavian, neoclassic, or whatever. In my opinion, I think that trying to adapt a specific interior style to a certain group of people is not the right way to do interior design. I believe that every human being is different and he deserves his unique style. And if there is something important that we need to develop as interior designers, is the ability or the skill to understand each human being separately. I mean, of course you can ask that, and I will be a liar if I say that I don't. But I think that the most important thing is to first try to understand their needs in terms of how do they want to use the space, where they like to spend their time when they're at homes, what kind of activities do they do, whether it is reading a book, practicing yoga, or watching TV, and ultimately how do they want to feel inside each space of their homes. Another question you can ask is, how do you think we can make your home special? And trust me, you will be surprised how people will interact with this question and the amount of information they will give you. By asking that, you allow yourself to shape the big lines of the design. If I can define customization in two words, it will be feel and use. How a space is going to be used and what kind of feeling it will engage. So why custom interiors? I think now it's so obvious why you need to know about these concepts, whether you are a homeowner or a designer. With custom interiors, we get the option of creating our living space exactly the way we want it, which makes our homes more functional, aesthetically pleasing, and above all, in line with our preferences. If you want to know how I design custom interiors, I did a video that shows you my step-by-step process, starting with my meeting with the client, coming to delivering the final product. I will put a link to this video in the description. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for reaching this point of the video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and see you in next one.